Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like you're stuck on a hamster wheel? You wake up, you go to a job you might not love, you work until you're exhausted, you get home, and then you do it all over again the next day. It's that feeling of being caught in an endless loop, a never-ending cycle of work and bills, with no real freedom in sight. That feeling, my friends, is the rat race. And today, we're not just going to talk about it. We're going to give you the ultimate guide on how to escape it. Not tomorrow, not in 10 years, but starting right now. Today, we're not giving you a single solution. We're giving you a roadmap of 15 powerful ways to escape the rat race and build a life of true freedom. Let's get started.
Point number 1.
Conduct a radical financial audit. This is the first, most critical step. For 1 month, track every single dollar you earn and every dollar you spend. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a simple app on your phone. Write down everything: your morning coffee, that impulsive online purchase, your subscription services, and all your bills. This isn't about judging your spending. It's about creating a clear picture of your financial reality. You can't change what you don't measure. Point number 2. Create a zero-based budget. Once you know where your money is going, give every dollar a job. A zero-based budget means your income minus your expenses equals zero. You intentionally assign every dollar to a category: rent, groceries, debt repayment, savings, and even entertainment. This puts you in total control, turning your money from a source of stress into a tool for your escape. Point number 3. Annihilate high-interest debt. Think of high-interest debt, like credit cards or personal loans, as an anchor holding you back. You have 2 main strategies for paying it off. The debt snowball. List your debts from smallest to largest balance. Pay the minimum on all but the smallest one, and throw every extra dollar you have at that one until it's gone. Then, roll that payment into the next smallest debt. This method gives you quick wins and keeps you motivated. The debt avalanche. List your debts from highest to lowest interest rate. Focus all your extra payments on the one with the highest rate. This method saves you the most money in the long run by reducing the amount you pay in interest. Point number 4. Build your courage fund. Before you do anything else, build a solid emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible savings account. This is your safety net, your buffer against job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. It's called the Courage Fund because it gives you the confidence to take risks and pursue your dreams without the fear of financial ruin. Point number 5. Invest for passive income. Don't just save your money. Make it work for you. Invest in assets that generate passive income, meaning income that requires little to no active effort to maintain. For beginners, this often means investing in low-cost index funds or dividend-paying stocks. Over time, these investments can grow and provide a steady stream of income that isn't tied to your active labor. Point number 6. Learn a high-income skill. The internet has made this easier than ever. Learn a skill that is in high demand and can be done remotely or independently. Popular examples include copywriting, digital marketing, video editing, web development, or UX/UI design. Many online courses and tutorials can teach you these skills for a fraction of the cost of a traditional degree. Point number 7. Start a side hustle. You don't have to quit your job to begin. Use your newfound skill to start a small project on the side. Offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or start a small business. The goal is to generate your very first dollar of income that isn't from your main job. This small win will prove that escape is possible. Point number 8. Sell products, not time. A side hustle that trades your time for money, like freelancing, has a ceiling. To truly escape, you need to create products that can scale. This could be a digital course, an ebook, a template, or even a physical product you sell through a platform like Shopify. You do the work once, and the product can continue to generate income for years. Point number 9. Monetize a passion. What are you naturally good at, or what do you love to do? Find a way to turn that passion into value for others. Start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast about your expertise. You can monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or by selling your own products. This transforms your hobby into a powerful, enjoyable income stream. Point number 10. Define your freedom number. This is your magic number. It's the amount of money you need to have invested to live off of your passive income alone. A common rule of thumb is to take your annual living expenses and multiply that number by 25. When your passive income and side hustle income combined consistently exceed your expenses, you have reached financial independence. Point number 11. Prioritize your time. The rat race conditions you to think about money, but the ultimate prize is time. Be intentional with it. Say no to things that don't align with your goals. Every hour you spend building your escape vehicle is an hour invested in your future freedom. Learn to time block your schedule, setting aside dedicated hours for your side hustle and for personal development. Point number 12. Optimize your health. The stress of the rat race can drain your physical and mental health. This journey requires stamina. Make time for exercise, eat well, and get enough sleep. Your body and mind are your most important assets. A healthy routine will give you the energy and focus needed to build your new life. Point number 13. Seek mentors and community. Find people who are already where you want to be. Follow them online, read their books, or join a community of like-minded individuals. You can also reach out to people you admire on platforms like LinkedIn. Having a mentor can provide invaluable guidance, and a supportive community will keep you motivated when the journey gets tough. Point number 14. Embrace a minimalist mindset. The rat race is fueled by consumerism. Challenge that idea. Practice a minimalist mindset by focusing on experiences and relationships, not material possessions. Less stuff means fewer bills, less stress, and more money and energy to invest in your escape. Point number 15. Take the calculated leap. This is the final step. When your independent income stream is stable and your courage fund is full, it's time to take the leap. Give professional notice, leave on good terms, and be proud of what you've accomplished. This is not a blind jump into the unknown. It's a strategic, well-planned exit from a life that no longer serves you. Escaping the rat race isn't a myth. It's a plan, and you have the first steps right here. Start with one of these points today, no matter how small. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who feels trapped. And for more content on building a life of freedom, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What's the first step you'll take today? Let me know in the comments below.